Hey friends, if you wish to disable flashing or change the flash count in taskbar icons in Windows, then please watch this video. This is the taskbar. These are taskbar icons. They may keep flashing at times. So if you wish to remove that, then search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now go to this key, H key current user, control panel, and then desktop. Okay, in the right pane, try to find this entry called foreground flash count. Okay, foreground flash count. Double click on it. In my case, the value data is 7, which means it will flash up to 7 times. I can change it to 0 to disable the flash, also to some other value like 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever I want to, according to my requirements. 0 will disable it. Any other value will mean the number of times that it will flash. And it actually goes for the same for decimal and hexadecimal up to 15. After 15, it can change. Click on OK to save the settings and then close it and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.